Hi guys, it's Irina. Definitely say hello in the comments. Today I'm preparing the recipe that has been requested numerous times, and that is the anti-aging serum. Well, I love doing serums because I love using them. I think it's sometimes a lot better option than a cream or a lotion even, because the serum is just the concentration of ingredients that penetrate your skin faster and more effectively. Plus, you could use it really just a little bit, so a little goes a long way. Today, my recipe is going to be based on the great oils for your skin and the essential oils that will be just like a powerhouse of those wonderful ingredients. You see a lot of ingredients here, so let me walk you through it. So I am going to mix everything in a glass bottle like that, but you could actually divide recipe and use it in a roller bottle, which is actually very convenient, I would say. So I'm going to use a little funnel, so it's easier for me to put everything in a glass bottle, and I would start with our first ingredient, and that would be jojoba oil. I'm using this oil today because it doesn't clog the pores. It's suitable for any skin type out there. It's great for moisturizing and of course anti-aging effect. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. So let me open that up and get the 2 tablespoons. It's a beautiful oil. I always get all my carrier oils right now from Plant Therapy. They have really incredible quality of the oils and the packaging too. So I highly recommend this company. Of course, you've noticed that I also use all the essential oils from Plant Therapy. So finishing up adding the oil. And this is the last portion of the oil. Next oil we're going to use would be the Rosehip Oil. Of course, the Rosehip Oil. That's my favorite talking about anti-aging. It's really full of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It's great for anti-aging skin, preventing wrinkles. And honestly, I've noticed that I have less redness on my skin and like my skin tone is more even after I've started using this serum. We shall need to use a little less, I would say 1.5 tablespoons of the rosehip oil. When you're buying rosehip oil, always make sure you do remember the date when you start using it, because it has rather short expiration, shelf life, I would say, and preferably try to store it in the refrigerator. And let me add another half. I would say that's my half here. And then we're going to add another oil that would work a little bit as a preservative too, but also it has wonderful, skin properties. That will be the vitamin E oil. As far as vitamin E oil, I'm going to add only 1/4 teaspoon, so not that much. So easy peasy like that. And now we're going to proceed with the essential oils. So let's start with the first essential oil. That would be lavender. I would say we add 2 drops to our recipe, and we're using lavender because it's so great for treating various skin disorders like acne, wrinkles, inflammation, redness, and it's a wonderful oil to use for mature skin. It also helps to lighten the appearance of age spots and the scars. The next oil I'm using here today will be rosemary. We also need to use 2 drops. Rosemary is amazing if you want to really tighten your skin, so it's amazing for aging skin. And that will be another 2 drops. The next essential oil is my favorite. That would be Geranium Essential Oil. It really helps with oily skin, with acne, but what's more important, it really helps to lighten the skin, improve skin elasticity, and actually definitely helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, but I would say rather helps to prevent them because it promotes blood circulation and also, helps to heal our skin. Another 2 drops here. 1 and 2. And the last oil today would be frankincense. It's a wonderful oil for mature skin, and of course it definitely has to go into our anti-aging serum. So another 2 drops of that. Now all we have to do is close it up. I use this little pump, bottle here, and the way you're going to use it is pretty much the same as you would use the serum. You wash your face, you definitely use the toner, and then you just have a few drops on your palm, and then you apply it either on the problem areas or in the entire face. Normally I even double, as you could see the recipe, because I love using it for my neck and décolleté area. Of course, never forget about your neck and décolleté area. So this is an amazing serum, and I'm saying That's because I have a wonderful experience with it, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I hope you will definitely give it a try, and you will of course enjoy the benefits that it has. Thank you for your attention and support. I wish you to stay beautiful and healthy, of course, and I wish you to enjoy yourself, to love yourself every single day because you deserve it. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.